Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying products by Mielle Organics. I'm so excited because this is my first time trying any products by this brand. I know y'all probably like, girl, where have you been? But this is the Babasu conditioning and shampoo, and I really love this. Look at my hair. Look at these curls. They look so nice and juicy. But I was a little upset because no store in my area had their deep treatment. And I really wanted to try the deep treatment, but you know, look at it. But if you want to see how my hair turned out using Mielle Organics products, please continue to watch. To style my hair, I picked up the Mielle Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk, and it looks like this. And I also grabbed the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie, which looks like this. I'm going to be trying these two products in my hair. Just going to separate each side like I normally do into two sections. So I can't find my other clip, so I'm going to just attach that to that like that. So starting off on the back section, I'm just going to apply some more water to it, which my hair is still pretty damp. Just feels so soft. So soft. And I'm going to take some of the Mielle Moisturizing Hair Milk. Ooh, it's the avocado. Oh! The hair milk is really creamy. Look at that. So we're just going to apply it to this entire section. And we're just going to work it in like that. So next I'm just going to use my brush to comb the product through my hair. I know it may sound harsh to y'all, just like some good ASMR. I'm going to take a few pumps of the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. It smells, oh my goodness. This reminds me of, I don't know, it's like that black cherry smell. I'm gonna just take about 2 pumps. It smells so good. That is so pretty. So I'm going to apply some of my Wetline Extreme Gel on top of that. I love that. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with the back section. When my hair don't have any product in it, it dries very fast. So I'm just going to rub my fingers through it like this. And then I'm going to take my brush and just detangle some more. Just bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Girl, hold up. Look at that. Okay. Okay, I'm with you, Mielle. I got you. So now I'm going to take 2 pumps of the Curl Smoothie and I'm going to apply that to this section. So pretty. And then I'm going to take some Wetline and just apply a small amount. I ain't gonna waste that. I'm only applying a small amount of Wetline to my hair just for a little bit of hold since I'm using 2 creams, but not a lot. I didn't use a lot at all.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
So I'm going to add a side part, of course. And that's good. Dang, it smells so good.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it.
Oh, this looks so good. So good. Look at these curls. I cannot wait to see what it look like when it's dry. I can't even imagine what my curls would look like if I had the deep treatment. Oh, I love it. And it's not even dry yet. So I'm just going to let my hair air dry overnight because it is about 10 o'clock and I will see you guys tomorrow. So it's the next day and look at my hair. It's actually late the next day. It's about 8 o'clock down in the evening the next day. So this is my hair after I let it air dry using the Mielle products. And the only thing I did was put my bonnet on, took my bonnet off and shook my head. I didn't add any oil. I didn't do nothing extra.
Somebody come look at this.
Nothing extra. So yeah, I love the way my hair turned out. You ready for the spin?
Look at this.
Okay. It's so pretty and soft. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.
I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and